Ireland is an island nation located in the North Atlantic Ocean, northwest of mainland Europe. It is known for its rolling green hills, rugged coastline, and picturesque countryside with traditional cottages. The island is divided into two political entities, the Republic of Ireland and Northern Ireland, which is part of the United Kingdom. The climate in Ireland is temperate, with mild winters and cool summers. Rain is common throughout the year. The population of Ireland is over 4.9 million people, with the majority living in the Republic of Ireland. The official languages are Irish and English. The majority of the population identifies as Roman Catholic. Dublin is the capital and largest city of Ireland. Other important cities include Cork, Limerick, and Galway. The currency in Ireland is the euro. Irish cuisine is characterized by hearty, warming dishes that make use of fresh, local ingredients. Some traditional dishes include Irish stew, mashed potatoes with cabbage or kale, and soda bread. Irish music is an important part of the country's cultural identity and is known for its lively rhythms and emotive melodies. Ireland is famous for its many ancient ruins, castles, and monuments dotting the landscape. Some of the most popular tourist attractions include the Cliffs of Moher, the Ring of Kerry, and the Rock of Cashel. The island is also renowned for its vibrant cultural scene, with a rich tradition of literature, music, and dance. Decades of conflict in Northern Ireland ended with the Good Friday Agreement of 1998, and the country has seen significant progress in peace and reconciliation since then.